Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, pending where and when you're watching this video. So this is Priceless Clean Makeover, your one-stop beauty blog. I deal with hair and makeup mostly. So this is my client. She's going for her photo shoot, and this hair is what we are going to be talking about, is what we are going to be discussing in this video. So how I made this hair, keep watching. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, please do not make it your last. Thanks for stopping by, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more interesting and educative videos like this. And to my old subscribers, you guys already know I love you. So let's get right into it. My client, you have already seen her. She's a jolly good fellow. So she came and she's told me that she wants to do a Bantu hairstyle for her photo shoot. And so trust me to go with extra. As the accessory queen, I didn't stop at just giving her what she ordered versus what she got. So I started with sectioning her hair. I sectioned the hair into 13 sections. So right here, what I'm doing is the first section, I am using my Got2be age control, Got2be hair wash, as some people know it, to lay the hair down and then use my thread. I doubled the thread to get this size of the thread I wanted. Not too long, not too short, something sizable for me to be able to flip over with. And then I use it to tie the base of this hair section, as you are seeing in this video. So that is what I will be doing for the rest of the hair till I section the 13 parts. So making this hair was not that easy, but God helped me to pull through, because you can see she came in with a very thick and short virgin hair. So it wasn't that easy to make this hair. It's more easier on a relaxed hair. So this is my student. She was helping me with the hair, and at some point the other student joined because my client was already in a hurry. Her photographer is already calling her, so she needed us to do fast with the hair. So this is how the hair turned out. Yeah, 2 at the back, 3 by the side, then 7 at the center. That's just the simplest way. So after the hair sectioning, next thing I'm doing here is to braid each section like the Bob Marley style, if you know what I mean. Just braid it down from edge to the tip. I just braided all of them. So you should know me by now. I'll be listing the products I use in the description box, so do well to also check them out. And hey lovers, help my ministry, share this video to get to others. All right, it's a photo shoot session, and she's going for a photo shoot, and she needed me to be faster because I will also be doing her makeup. If you would like to see how I did her makeup, kindly comment on this comment section. So this is some of my students helping me to fasten the hair process. So after I have sectioned and the next thing I did was to braid the sections, and now I am using my black expression attachment. I cut it into 4, and I am using a smaller quantity like you are seeing in the video to braid the base a little, and then I fold it as you are seeing to cover the remaining braids. I just fold it as if I want to. This is how to do a banku. I don't really know how to explain this, but you will use your hair extension to braid the base of this braid, and then twist your hand this way. I am twisting, and as you twist to hide the braid inside of the extension, you make sure to roll from the top to the bottom, just as I am doing here. And then if you have a little, all these tiny little rubber bands, you use the black one to hold the base so that the hair will not scatter or fall off. If you don't have those rubber bands, just use a tiny extension from the extension you are using to also secure the base, just as I am doing it here. So these are the 2 ways you can do it. So use a photo shoot session, and she's going for, and I don't have to use anything other than black unless it's an accessory, you understand. So this is how I do it. If you want to get your own banku, it's not too hard. You can still do this hair on your own, So this is it. I have done like 3 braids. You braid just like I am doing it here. You braid the edge and then you twist your hand, and voila, this is the final look, guys. As the accessorizing queen that I am, I went extra to make her photo shoot session a banger, and she ate and left no crumb. So if you like what you see, kindly subscribe, like, and share your views on the comment section, guys. If you want to see how I did her glam, comment on the comment section and I will come through with the makeup tutorial, and trust me, you're gonna like it. What do you think about this hairstyle? This Bantu is giving everything it's supposed to give, especially with the accessories. So would you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. And you can see she loves her hair, everything. Bye guys, and see you in my next one.